Little Blue Truck's Halloween. Little Blue Truck and his good friend Toad are going to a party just down the road. Beep, 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 says Little Blue. It's Halloween. You come too. Who's that in a tutu striking a pose up on the tiniest tips of her toes? Under the mask, who do you see? It's a quack. It's a duck. Quack, says the duck. It's me. It's me. Who's that clown with a big red nose and a cap that jingles wherever he goes? Under the mask, who do you see? It's a ba, says the sheep. It's me. It's me. Who's this queen with a golden crown and sparkling jewels and a velvet gown? Under the mask, who do you see? It's a moo, says cow. It's me, it's me. What scraggly hair, what funny teeth. Who is hiding underneath? Under the mask, who do you see? It's a oink, says the pig. It's me, it's me. There's a fancy feather on a pirate's hat. Who's dressed up in a hat like that? Under the mask, who do you see? It's a cluck, says the hen. It's me, it's me. A dragon's head and a dragon wings. Who's that wearing those dragon things? Under the mask, who do you see? It's a neigh, says the horse. It's me, it's me. Croak, says Toad. There is just one more. Has anyone seen this ghost before? Under the mask, who do you see? It's a off comes the sheet. It's you know who. Little Blue Truck says beep beep boo.